She just wants to be beautiful. She goes unnoticed. She knows no limits. She craves attention. She praises an image. She prays to be sculpted.
Hello guys, it's your girl Tamara back with another video. I'm excited about this one today because it's been a long time. But today I am going to be doing a halo look, and if you guys like it, make sure that you guys like my video and subscribe and share and comment. And as you see, I am filling my brows, and today I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, I believe, and I have that in the color chocolate. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going to clean up my brows with the, I think it was a Too Faced Born This Way concealer. So now I am priming my eyelids. The first concealer that I used, I didn't like the way it came out, so I ended up using that same concealer that I cleaned up my brows with. I'm just going to use that and blend it out with my finger, and then I'm going to set it with, I think, the Airspun face powder. So for my transition color, I'm going to go in with that yellow orange color from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. So for my other transition color, I'm going to go in the Morphe 35O palette. I believe that's what it's called. I'm going to use that and put it right below the other color that I just used previously. And I'm just going to blend those two together. So going back into that Jaclyn Hill palette, I want to take that light, I think that's like a green or something like that. I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it right in my crease. I'm just going to keep building up that color until I'm satisfied with the look. So now I'm going to take that blue that's right above the other color I just used, and I'm going to put that on my outer and my inner and a little bit in my crease. We're trying to create a halo look, so I just want the darker color to be on the outer and the inner parts of my eye. And I'm going to use like this flat and fluffy brush to blend that all out, because I also want to pack, but then also I want to blend it in to make it look seamless. So I lost a bit of pigmentation in that green that I used earlier, so I'm just going to go back in and fill that in a little bit so that it don't be totally gone. So now what you see me doing, I am putting concealer on my lid. So I want the lighter color to be exactly where I'm putting that concealer, and I want it to pop out a little bit more than that blue that I was just using. So what I'm doing, I'm putting it right in the middle of my eye, and at the top I'm making like two lines. I'm making one going up and down, and then one at the top I'm going left and right, and I want it to be a little bit wider than what I did at the bottom. So I'm going in with that same palette. I'm going with this really light blue, and I'm only going to put it on the left and on the right of where I put that concealer. I'm going to leave the middle white, because I'm going to put like this silver right in between, and then I'm going to blend those two colors together, so it's kind of like an ombre effect. So now I'm gonna do a wing liner. As you can see, it's from NYX. I don't know like what's the name of it, but it's from NYX, and I'm just gonna do like I tried to do a thin liner, but I'm a little heavy-handed, so it came out a little bit thicker than what I'm expected, but it's okay. Right now I am putting some eyelash glue. It's like a clear adhesive, and then I'm gonna put some silver glitter. I didn't want to put a lot because I didn't want it to be like out there. I just want a little bit of sparkle, so that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm also like measuring my lashes and putting them on. I didn't cut them because normally I had to cut them because I have like little eyes, but these lashes came out just fine. I actually really like these. I need to buy some more. I am priming my face using my Becca primer, and I'm also using the Becca foundation. These two are like my absolute favorite. So to highlight, I'm going to be using the same concealer I was using earlier, and I'm going to put that under my eyes, I'm pretty sure my nose, my forehead, my chin, and I'm just going to blend it out with my beauty blender. So to set my face, I'm going to go in with this powder. I think it's the, ooh, what is this? I think it's the Maybelline Fit Me. Yep, that's what it is. The Fit Me loose powder. And I was going to put there everything that I concealed. And I'm going to go in contour or bronze, whatever you want to call it. And this is LA Girl setting. I think it's the pressed powder. I think that's what I'm using. I'm going to use that. I'm going to snatch this face, snatch the nose, and all that. So now I am setting right under my contour to get like that real sculpted look, and I'm eventually gonna wipe that away. So right now I'm gonna go on with those two blue eyeshadows I used earlier, and I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line, and I'm also gonna go with this black eyeliner to smoke it out. And for blush, I'm going to use like this really peachy blush to, you know, bring some warmth to my skin. And then also I'm going to use, I think it's the Maybelline Chrome highlighter to bring some light and brightness to my face and some shimmer. I really like this. I wish I used another one. I wanted more, something more like kind of gold, but that's okay. So now I'm going to use two setting sprays to set my face. I'm going to be using I think the first one's the MAC Fix Plus, and then the second one's going to be the Urban Decay. I think that's the All Nighter setting spray, and I'm going to use my Ashes Tour fan to fan everything so my face don't be all wet and stuff like that. So right now I'm going to go with this NYX lip pencil. I don't know what color it's in, but I don't know anything anymore, but it's okay. So I'm gonna go in with this NYX liquid lipstick. I'm gonna use two more. One is more like a peachy nude, then one's gonna be a little bit lighter. And then also I'm gonna go with this Morphe lip gloss, and I'm just gonna put all that together, and then we should be done. Alrighty guys, this is the finished look. I really like how it came out because I don't do colors often at all, but I'm gonna start doing it. And if you guys like this video, make sure that you guys give this video a big thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.